Hi, Cam here with some handy tips on fridge filter life. We are often asked by consumers how often they should be changing their fridge water filters. Generally, most filtration experts and water filter manufacturers alike recommend that the filters should be changed every 6 months to keep them safe and working at peak performance. The 6-month figure is calculated upon a standard application and can vary according to a number of different factors. These factors include areas that are experiencing high sediment, which can prematurely block a water filter. Equally, water filters that are used to provide more than 10 litres per day will exceed the 1800 litre capacity, which is the 6-month period of normal usage. This means you'll have to change your filter earlier than the 6-month expected date. Exceeding your fridge filter's life capacity can allow for dirt, particulate matter and scale to build up on the inside of the fridge's componentry. It can also lead to some really unpleasant taste and odours that you might experience. Making sure that you're changing your filter on time is really important. Sometimes the time frame isn't always going to be that perfect 6 months. There are some key ways that you can sit there and tell whether your fridge filter needs changing, and I'll run through them now for you. An off colour or murkiness within the glass. Low volume or slow running water. An unpleasant metallic or chemical-like taste. A stagnant-like smell. If you're experiencing any of the before mentioned symptoms within your refrigerator at the moment, it may be time for you to change your water filter. Please give us a call today to discuss. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.